Today we're gonna be making Duritos. Now, not the Dorito chips. These right here are one of my favorite Mexican snacks. This one's a little wheat pinwheel, but they come in many different shapes and sizes. There's actually some really big ones. For example, these are another version. It's just a big square. They actually make like really big snacks that fry up and it expands. There's some little small ones like this. They're square, but this is what I have on hand, and that's what we're gonna be cooking. You don't need a whole lot for this. You just need to find these wheat pinwheels somewhere at your local grocery store. You can find them usually in a Latin grocery store, Mexican grocery store. And all you need is this, a little bit of oil, and your favorite hot sauce. Growing up as a kid, going to Mexico and visiting my family down there, this is the hot sauce we would always get, Chile Amor. But this one kind of is a little hard to get over here on this side, especially depending on what states you live in. This brand right here, this one's kind of similar to it. This one I picked up at Walmart, so you'd probably be able to find this one. Or you can use your favorite hot sauce, Tapatio, Cholula, whatever, you know, whatever one you like. And for the kids, maybe when I was younger, we used to put chamoy on them. But as we got older, we got, you know, more into the spicy stuff, so we just usually just hot sauce and lemon. All right, in a pot, we're gonna be adding in some oil. You're gonna need a good amount. Yeah, that should be good right there. We'll go ahead and turn on our heat to about medium heat. You want this roughly around 350, so I'm gonna let this heat up. Now to check, see if our oil is hot enough, we'll drop one in. And if it starts to expand, then we are good to go. It takes about a couple seconds for them to start frying up. And then, as you can see, it's puffing up. Keep it submerged in the oil. And that is how you do it. So what I do is I take like a handful at a time and I'll drop them in there. And just let them do their thing. Once they start puffing, then we'll keep them submerged a little bit and then let them come back up. Now you could do this in the oven. I've seen people do them in the oven, over the stove, but this is honestly the best way to make these, deep fried. Just like that. Doesn't take much to it. Let some of that oil drip. And then put it in a bowl with a paper towel. But yeah, the other cooking ways, this is the best to get these cooked up. If you have a disco, man, these cook up really quick. You could put a lot of them in there, but since I'm just doing a small batch, I'm only gonna make like one bowl for the kids. And this is all we need right here. You want to make sure that that dark orange color changes color to like a light tan. They'll stay kind of like hard if you don't let them cook evenly. So you want to make sure that the whole thing, the whole wheat pinwheel expands and changes color. All right, so I'm gonna cook up some more of these and then I'll show you how I top them. All right, now that we're all cooked up, let's go ahead and get us a little bowl. Just a little bit, just a little bit. It doesn't have to be a whole lot. There's a little bit of hot sauce right there. And finally, some lemon juice. Kind of stir this around, just kind of get out everything. Yummy, 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 yummy. One of my favorite snacks growing up. Crunchy, spicy, lemony. You could put the chamoy on there if you want it sweet. The tajin if you want the just the powder version. But there's some good stuff. Classics right here. If you're new to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button. That way you can see future videos just like this. Now I have these recipes. They're really good. You should try them out. Now y'all be beautiful and God bless.